nobody else around me. Just need you right here. You're like the only thing that I see. It's crystal.
To my partner, Annalie, thank you for being such a good friend and thank you for being my little sister. I'm grateful for all the laughter and support we share. Continue to be kind and don't stop chasing your dreams.
It's like supernatural skies possessing me, but I don't mind it all. It's like supernatural, it's taking over me. Don't wanna fight the fall. It's like supernatural, it's taking over me.
Itong araw na to, syempre legal, nasa legal age ka na. Hindi ibig sabihin na pwede ka nang gumawa ng kung ano ang gusto mo. Syempre, andun pa rin yung boundaries. Andun pa rin yung isa-set mo yung limitations mo. Napaka-blessed pa ako kasi si Ana ay isang part ng buhay ko na hindi ko po siya makakalimutan. Happy birthday na ako.
Happy birthday, Annalie! Happy birthday, Annalie! Happy birthday, Annalie!
Happy birthday, Annalie!
I do want you to make it yours. It's like supernatural skies possessing me, but I don't mind it all. It's like supernatural, it's taking over me. Don't wanna fight the fall. It's like supernatural. It's like supernatural. Need your hands all up on my body, like the moon needs the stars. Nothing else felt this way inside me. But let's go too far. I want you to come claim it. I do. What are you waiting for? Yeah, want you to name it. I do. Want you to make it yours. It's like supernatural skies possessing me, but I
Masasabi ko lang, enjoyin mo muna ang pagiging dalaga mo. Tuparin mo lahat ng mga pangarap mo. Andilo lang kami ni daddy mo. Susuporta sa'yo. Tandaan mo, palagi kaming proud sa'yo. Ilang araw, Mika.
I know na you're already blessed and napakaswerte mo kasi you have your mom and dad na kayang ipa-experience sa'yo yung ganitong kind of celebration. I wish you a life na full of happiness. Just enjoy yung pagiging dalaga while chasing your dreams and sana kung may pinag-worry ka man ngayon, sana malagpasan mo yun lahat and also sa mga challenges man na dumating sa'yo.
But